Welcome back, student, for the second session or the part 2 of our lesson from gathering to growing food, class 6th. In previous part we have covered or we have talked about how the man has started early agriculture, how he domesticated animals and how he reared those animals. In the second part we'll be covering about how archaeologists could find about the past, or how we are able to know about the past. Okay, so let's begin. If you could see on the slide, on the upper side you can see map of India, and there are some places marked with different shapes and different index. So you can see over here the square mark with the blue color. These are the places where we have, or the archaeologists have found the proof of early agriculture and early domestication. So some of them we'll be discussing right now. So important sites which archaeologists could found are here given. So first site is Mehergarh, which is right now in Pakistan, and if you see this area, so archaeologists have found some of the proofs of grain, or the parts of the grain which were grown over here. So they could found the wheat and barley was grown in this area, and they have proof of this wheat and barley was grown. And then they could find about some animals which were reared or which were domesticated in this area. They are like sheep, goat and cattle. These animals were reared, and archaeologists have found their bones. Then when second site archaeologists could detect is Koldiwa. So this place is right now in Uttar Pradesh, where archaeologists have found the proof that here the rice was grown here, and they have got some proof of fragmentary animal bones. So it proves that here animal husbandry was done, and then here agriculture was done, here rice was produced. If you see this area is covering mostly by the Ganga plain. So this area must be getting water, that's why they could produce rice in this area. Then other side is Mahagara, which is right now in Uttar Pradesh. Here also we can find rice was grown, and then some cattle were grown here, or they were domesticated. And so we have the proof of these animals. So there are some sites which are given here, which indicate that animal husbandry was done, then agriculture was done in subcontinent, Indian subcontinent. Here you can see Mehergarh is in Indian subcontinent, which is part of Pakistan right now. So these places where archaeologists have found different proofs, which proves that animal husbandry and domestication of animal as well as agriculture was done. So we'll move further. And as agriculture was started, man could lead a settled life. So he started living to one place for a longer period of time. It is because it is need of agriculture, because he has to take care of the crops, so that he has to live there only. And one more reason he was living a settled life was that he could live life like this, because the problem of food was solved to him, because he was producing grain over here and he could store the grain, so he need not to go from place to place in search of food. So here we have the proof of settled life. So we have one site which is Burzoham. This site is in Jammu and Kashmir, and there are some proof that are showing that here man have lived a settled life. So here we have proofs of peat house. So what a peat house is? So peat house is these peoples were digging underground houses, and steps were leading to that houses. It may be because they want a shelter in cold climate. And even archaeologists have found the proof of hearth here. So these hearths were used for cooking the food, and these are found inside and outside the houses. So as per the season, if the climate allows to them to cook outside, they must be cooking outside, and if the climate is not like that, so they were cooking inside. Then archaeologists have found the tools which are made from the stone. So here, if you see the characteristics of those tools, these tools were polished, they have fine finishing, and we have the proofs like mortars and pestles which are shown in the slide, you can see in the image. So these were used for different purposes like cooking, and we have the proof of stone tools also. Then even archaeologists have found over here earthen pots. If you see the characteristics of these pots, they were decorated, and some drawing was done over on these pots. And what may be the uses of these pots? If you see, they must be used for storing the things, and they could have been used for cooking food as well. So even archaeologists have found the proof of cloth, especially cotton clothes. Some parts, it proves that here people were weaving the clothes also. So these are the different proofs which show that man has started a settled life, and his journey towards settled life has already begun with these so many proofs. And this was only possible because he started agriculture.